Hello, we stopped in the last lesson on how to open the door by using any key in the keyboard. So let's remind you of how we did the last lesson. Go next to the door, then press E, the door will open, then close, according to the animation. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a real key, pick up a key and open the door. So before we start that, before we create the script, go to the hinge and remove this arrow from the box collider. Then let's run the game and see how it looks. It should be the door should be closed. We go to the next door, press E, the door is not going to open. Now let's add the key. So go to the script folder, then right click and create a C# script, and let's name it door key. Door key. Then double click on the script and let's bring the script. You will find the script down below in the description. Control C, Control V, and here let's change it as this name, door key, and Control S to save the script. Now let's close it. Now let's create the key. I will create a cube as a key. So let's create a cube and name it key. Then bring it up, scale it a little bit smaller. It should be as trigger. And let's add the script to the key. Door key, bring it here. Door collider here, door hinge collider here, and the key here. Now let's run the game. When I come next to the door shouldn't open. I click it here, I click it to the E button, the door didn't work, but when I came here and press E, I pick up the key and click E here, the door will open. So I opened the door by a key, a real key. So this is the lesson. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Thanks for watching and bye bye.